I hope you all are doing well. And today we are going to learn about the microbit. That's another microcontroller inside the Tinkercad, just like the Arduino. And we are much more familiar with the Arduino and its pins and all the layouts. But this thing is little bit tricky and also very interesting. So let's just open the Tinkercad. And I'll start creating the circuits. Okay, so here is this micro bit. There is you can say that another programmable board, that is Arduino Uno R3. We have done few of the projects with that, and I'll upload more videos about this project, about the Arduino and its projects. But today we are starting with this micro bit. So this is basically another programmable board inside the Tinkercad, and as you know that these programmable boards are basically the brains of the robot. So it's a tiny, powerful, and pocket-sized computer that can feel motion, show messages, and even sense the temperature. So let's just start with this. So there are about 25 LEDs, 5 into 5 matrix, and these LEDs are going to show different, you can say that letters or the statements inside them, right? There are two buttons, button A and button B. These are basically buttons for the input. Inputs mean that if I want to program the things according to some certain input, like if I press this button the LED should turn on and this type of things, these buttons are going to help us. And there are also 1 2 3 4 and 5 pins below this board. So these pins are known as the gold teeth. So these gold teeth are basically going to help us to connect different type of sensors, modules, and other things with this, and also to provide the power to the sensors, or some, if we want to connect some motors or other devices. So here is the ground pin, here is 3-volt pin, here is pin 0 1 and 2. So let's start programming this, and it's very interesting and very fascinating. So if I upload a simple code, and I also explained you there are three methods where we can write the code to programmable boards in Tinkercad. So first one is only the blocks, second one is a block plus text, and third one is the text. So if I want to write something in authentic programming language, like the programmers usually write, you can say that the codes, this is the method. So here's a Python code. We can also write these codes in C or C++ languages. And if I want to write the code in blocks, it's very, you can say that, easy. And we can write all about whatever we want to do with this microcontroller or something. So this is the block of loop, and loops mean something that is going to repeat after a certain time or forever. So this is a forever loop. So whatever I'll write inside this loop will repeat for, you can say that, forever. Like there is no certain limit to this loop, right? So I am taking this string, and what this string says hello. So if I just start simulating, so you will see hello over here, right? So you can also adjust the temperature and brightness of this, but we are not dealing with the sensor and other type of modules. So now this thing is not usable for us, right? So this is showing hello over here, and this is our today's task as well. So inside this code, if I change the statement from hello to my name, like Asim, so you will see my name is appearing over here. You have probably seen these types of boards in billboards or some screens that are displaying different type of components in markets, or in the back screen of some cars. So these types of boards we use for displays. But this board is not about the display, as I mentioned you earlier. So it has its own sensors, the built-in sensors like accelerometer, like light sensors, and different type of sensors. So what if I want to write the code in a programming language, so without the block coding? So you can see that this is the code that is auto generated by the block codes that I have previously designed. So if I write inside this code, like whatever you like your favorite color, your pet name, your school name, or anything that you want to write over here, like if I write the blue, so you will see that it is appearing blue, right? So this is the basic introduction about this microbit. We will make different type of projects